Hey there, Ego is here. Today, I'd like to introduce our automation for writing and publishing blog posts and social media posts using AI. The automation is built on the Make platform and uses Notion as the main content management and planning dashboard. Let's see how it works live. In the Notion content calendar, we have a prepared post consisting of topic, the theme and message of the article, a research link, and keywords block. These three fields are used to gather initial information online and create a draft article using Perplexity. There's also a CTA field with text and a link. The AI will rewrite this call to action in line with the article and insert the appropriate link. We also have specific fields for publishing to Pinterest and our Webflow blog. These can be adjusted for your needs. There are control settings as well. Type indicates whether the post is for the blog and social media or just for social media with a link. This is good for SEO. It can also be for social media only, linking to the published URL. Generate image. This triggers the automation branch that generates an image in Midjourney. If it's off, the attached images will be used. In our case, we need 3 images, 2 for the blog and 1 for social media. Once the automation is launched, Make pulls data from Notion for today's posts with the ready to publish status. We've kept things simple and haven't factored in time slots, but you could add that using both date and time. Currently, if there are multiple posts ready, they will be published one by one. The automation determines the type of post, blog and social or just social. Since we're using Webflow, there are technical nuances. For example, if the post uses options or reference fields, Webflow links to them using an internal Webflow ID. Our Notion template has system tables with Webflow IDs manually entered, but you'll need to adjust this for your setup. Next, the article details are sent to Perplexity. Keep in mind these are paid API requests, so you'll need an account and credits for this to work. The same applies to the ChatGPT API. Once Perplexity returns the initial draft, we send it to ChatGPT to rewrite it to match our style. All prompt examples are included in the Notion template. After that, ChatGPT generates short social media posts, headlines, and file names for the images, optimizing for both text and image search. Next, the automation checks whether the Generate Image checkbox is enabled. If so, ChatGPT writes a prompt for Midjourney. We use the userAPI.ai service for working with Midjourney since there's no official API yet. userAPI.ai provides 50 free API calls per month, but you'll need a paid Midjourney account depending on your needs. Let's move on. Image generation takes time, so there's a delay built into the automation. Since it all runs automatically, the wait isn't a big deal. While we wait, here's an important note. Most AI and automation gurus don't talk about this, especially those selling fancy automation packs. Automations like this one rely on various services that can experience high loads, downtime, or return incorrect results. This can cause errors, and if you're lucky, the automation will stop early. But sometimes, it runs partially and creates chaos. A good practice is to always have error handling and reporting, whether that's to Slack, Telegram, or something else. This automation is made by us for ourselves and our clients. It's a living system that we're constantly improving. For simplicity's sake, we've removed some error handling blocks, but it's important to remember, automation can fail, and that's okay. So, the images are ready, and the article is published on our blog. Next, we generate a resized image for social media. Your case might differ, depending on your blog's design and how many images you need, if any. While Midjourney generates the image, let's take a look at the blog post. Not bad at all. Not bad at all! If you noticed, image generation happens in 2 parts. First, Midjourney creates 4 variations based on the prompt written by ChatGPT. Then we randomly select one for upscaling. You might be wondering why we're seeing anime characters in these images. Well, that's me, Ego, the virtual avatar, mascot, and assistant here at Ego. Unfortunately, Midjourney can't generate consistent characters yet, like most AIs. But version 6 has improved at maintaining style, so it tries to follow the basic characteristics we provide. Here's how I originally looked, drawn by an artist based on our founder's vision. What do you think? Close enough? And by the way, we have a whole universe of characters, my friends and foes, but more on that the other time. Now, the image is ready and sent for social media posting along with the text, written by ChatGPT, and a link to the blog post. Let's check how it all published. Pinterest, done. X, done. LinkedIn, done. And Instagram, done. And that's how our automation works. The Notion template comes with all the prompts, settings, and detailed instructions on how to connect each service. With Make's flexibility, you can easily customize it for your needs. And if you run into issues, come to us. We'll gladly help. Follow the link in the description below to get this AI Content Engine Kit. Hope this video was useful. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next episodes. I'll be happy to see you. See you soon.